Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and I'm Sarah. So today we're going to discover about a really great method of living forever. So do you guys want to live a very long life forever, So let's discover about that method. It's called human cryopreservation. So let's take a really realistic example from the first person who was cryogenically frozen. On January 12, 1967, James Bedford passed away, but everyone thought that he just passed away like normal people, but he didn't because he had a plan to cheat death. So he also just used the method of cryogenically freezing himself after his death. Then was it successful? Okay, so today we're gonna discover. So cryobiology is the major field that which people do some research about different species under the different species in cold condition. So for human, -130 degrees Celsius is the correct temperature, or lower is the correct temperatures of humans actual cryopreservation. Under that, all the humans cells will stop working, or we can call it as human cells activities grinds to a halt because they stop working totally. But it seems like it's going smoothly, but it's never. For example, the blood cells, which always stays at these degree of 37 degrees Celsius. So it concludes the solution of chemical solids that which it dissolves with into the water, and also like that. And when the temperature drop in the body, it will actually be unable to dissolve all of the blood cells, that which it become increasingly concentrated. That is called an osmotic shock, which destroy all of the red blood cells in our human body. See, but it doesn't mean that every animal in low conditions of temperature can't survive, and it's not that fragile. For example, fish, it has the anti-freezing protein, so it can still live normally, right? So it's because of human condition only. So people and scientists are trying to find a method of solving the problems, so because it will give a lot of adverse effects, which they use vitrification, and the method being used now is CPA, cryoprotectant agent, and which it is like the pills to prevent the ice from forming, like letting it to still living. But the high quantities of medicines in the human body, it will also bring a lot of adverse effects. For example, about how it brings, let's see, very simple, of how they actually freeze too fast for putting the pills in. They freeze and they leave some of the crack that which were unfreezed or unfrozen. So that really caused a lot of problems for us while being freezed. That is the reason why it's not an actual things, and it's not really realistic and usable. So I really suggest everyone to live their own life happily all day all life, and then they could enjoy their death, like not regretting anything. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.